hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell. Levels or ranges. Value. Area high. VAH. 6,913. The high ramparts where the archers are perched. Breach this and we take the neighboring land. Value area low. Show VAL. 6,904. The drawbridge of the fortress. If it collapses, the peasants might revolt. Point of control. POC. 6,911. The great hall where the lords have held court for the last several hours. Support zone. 6,895 to 6,904. The sturdy foundation of the castle keep where the royal guards stand firm. Resistance zone. 6,915 to 6,922. The dense forest surrounding the castle, filled with bandits trying to block our path. Single prince. Escape paths. Lower. 6,890 to 6,900. An abandoned village path where few dare to tread. Expect a quick retreat if breached. Upper. 6,917 to 6,922. The narrow mountain pass leading to the summit, once cleared, the sky is the limit. Market context. Today the kingdom is in a state of consolidation as price maneuvers between 6,900 and 6,922. The knights are resting after a long march, but the treasury shows a steady influx of gold, with CVD rising significantly. It's a period of relative peace within the fortress walls, yet the archers are keeping a close watch on the horizons. 3-day march through the realm. Day 3, December 19th. POC 6,830. High 6,895. Low 6,820. A victorious day where the kingdom expanded its borders significantly. Day 2, December 21st. POC 6,903. High 6,910. Low 6,901. A night. Watch session where the territory was held with minimal skirmishes. Day 1, December 22nd. POC 6,911. High 6,922. Low 6,900. The current siege where the lords are deciding whether to push further into the unknown. Value has migrated steadily upward over the 3 crusades, moving from the lower valleys to the high plateau. Sustaining levels above the drawbridge at 6,904 will keep the kingdom secure. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume. Delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD. Negative 678 contracts. The day began with a small raid on the Royal Treasury. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 7,758. A massive caravan of merchants arrived with gold and silks. Current CVD. 4,745 net. Plus 5,423 from open. The kingdom is far wealthier than it was at dawn. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 2,411. A moment of doubt where the vault was nearly empty. Interpretation. The aggressive accumulation of gold suggests the knights are preparing for a new campaign. Any dip to the drawbridge will likely be met with fresh recruits. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL 6,904 to 6,908. Stop loss below the castle foundation at approximately 6,898, 6 points below VAL, or use ATR, approximately 7 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC 6,911. Major target at VAH, 6,913. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the ramparts at VAH, 6,913 to 6,920, or a collapse of the drawbridge. Stop loss: above the forest bandits at approximately 6,925 or ATR above entry. Profit target: POC for first tribute, then VAL. Position sizing: limit risk to 1 to 2% of the Royal Treasury per skirmish, ensuring the knights are ready for the next battle. Trail stops behind defended battlements. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A: victory at the ramparts. The knights storm through the high ramparts at 6,913 with banners flying. Setup: enter long above 6,913 with stop at 6,911. POC: target 6,925 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B: retreat from the high walls. The archers fail to hold the ramparts and the price retreats from 6,913 to 6,920. Setup: short on first failure. Off VAH, stop above 6,922. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C: the drawbridge falls. The drawbridge at 6,904 is smashed by a battering ram. Setup: short a break below 6,904, stop above 6,910, recent swing high, target 6,890 single print area. Scenario D: the King's Defense. Price tests the drawbridge at 6,904, but the guards hold firm. Setup: long at 6,904, stop at 6,898, target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.